Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link someone else WhatsApp on your phone. So if you want to link someone else WhatsApp on your phone, then what you need to do is first just simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to tap on these three dots in the top right corner here, and you have to tap on this settings. So here you will see your name, the QR code, and this plus icon. You have to tap on this plus icon and then simply tap on this add account here. You need to enter your friend or someone else WhatsApp account on your phone. So go and agree and continue, and your account will be logged out and you will be able to link someone else WhatsApp on your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to link someone else WhatsApp on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.